So starting the test drive here in this Escalade Sport Platinum, I put the vehicle in sport mode, and I love how aggressive and almost angry the exhaust sounds and the sound you get from the engine bay. I don't know if that's real or not, but it sounds real and it sounds very nice. So impressed so far just with how it's reacting to throttle response. Now, one thing I will say is I don't know if I maybe touched it on accident, but I swear I turned off the rear AC controls and they came back on. So that's kind of interesting, but could just be my bad. Now we're gonna see if we can give her a pull here. Here we go. Yeah, what a sound there. Very nice sound. Yeah, I love that. I don't know what that is, but it sounds so good. Now we're gonna get over here just to show off the Super Cruise real quick, and then we're gonna get back over. So Super Cruise is activated, lane centering, adaptive cruise, and all of that. Doing all the work. I'm gonna get back over now. And I like that it works in sport mode. But again, as it sees the exit up here, it's gonna cut off, but it's doing just a great job at just taking all the work out of the drive. Now, the ride quality here is fantastic. Even on these 24s, I'm not feeling any sort of, I'm floating down the road, honestly. And I'm very impressed by that. Now, with everything that's in this suspension, long term, I don't know how the system will hold up, but that's what warranties are for. And if you're buying something like this, you have to be ready to pay for these kind of repairs. But the ride is sensational, absolutely great. Now, in terms of what you get for the money here, I don't necessarily want to say this is a bargain because it's a luxury vehicle, but for this price point, pretty impressed with the powertrain, just all that's included here in terms of the luxury features, the technology, and it's just a great SUV all around. And I mean that by saying you get so much here and you feel like you're in an Escalade. And that's what you want in a vehicle like this. You want that feeling of opulence, that feeling of just feeling like a king, like royalty when you're behind the wheel here. Like the 21st century stagecoach. That's what you feel like when you're driving this thing down the road. But then when you look at it from the outside, you're just in awe with how beautiful it is. And when this got its refresh for 25, I was not feeling it at all. I was thinking, why did they do that to this Escalade that looks so good already? But it's really grown on me, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle inside and out. Now, I do want to give one huge thanks to Cadillac of Murfreesboro again for allowing me to review this SUV today. I'll leave a link below in the description. And if you are looking to get the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But final thoughts on this. It's a 10 out of 10 where luxury vehicles are concerned. You get so much here. Looks great, feels great. You have massage seats, and they are much better than the outgoing ones on the older Escalades. This one, I feel like I'm in my massage chair, and that's pretty impressive. I feel like the older versions and most of the massage functions I'm used to, they just kind of play with your back a little bit, but this one feels like I'm at the massage parlor. They've come a long way with how these seats work in these vehicles. But with that, the new infotainment system, just the new setup with the screens in general, very tasteful, very nice. And if you get one of these, I'm pretty sure you will not be disappointed, unless maybe the engine or transmission goes, I don't know. But great SUV. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Cadillac Escalade Sport Platinum.